So we've got simultaneous equations. What they are equations involving two or more unknowns that have the same values in each of the equations. If we look, we've got x and y, and they're both unknown. But because we've got two sets of equations with differing values and differing coefficients, we can use them to solve for x and for y. So our first step would be to label our equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now, if you look here, we've got 5y and 5y, and as they match, if we subtract these from each other, they will cancel out and we will just be able to find the value of x. So let's try it. We're going to have 6x minus 3x, which just gives us 3x. 5y minus 5y, now that cancels each other out, that's just 0, so we can leave that off. And then we're going to have 21 minus 18, which just gives us 3. So we know that 3x then has to equal 3. So if we divide both sides by 3 then, we're going to get a value of x as 1. Now we know what x is, we can go ahead and input our value of x into equation 1, which we know is 6x, so 6 times by 1, plus 5y has to equal 21. So we know that 6 plus 5y equals 21. So if we were to find what 5y was, all we have to do is subtract 6 from 21, which leaves us with 15. To find y now, 1y, what 1y is, if 5y is 15, we just divide it by 5 to get a value of 3. So x equals 1 and y equals 3.